Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon. Go to Settings and Privacy Settings. Open Account Center, Profiles, and Personal Details. Scroll and check your birthday. Make sure your age is 18 or older. Update it if necessary. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Facebook. If an update is available, tap Update and install the latest version. Open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon. Go to Settings and Privacy Settings. Scroll to the Preferences section. Tap Browser. Under Cookies and Cache, tap Clear. Confirm by tapping Clear again. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 60 seconds, then turn it off. Open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon. Go to Help and Support, report a problem. Tap Continue to report. Select Marketplace from the list. Clearly explain your issue. Tap Send, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.